Hi, my name is Amaya Echeverry, and today I'm excited to present to you biopurification, a system that uses a consortium of algae to purify the air and to provide a clean energy source. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, why on earth would I need something like this? Well, it's actually for two very important reasons. The first one is air pollution, and I'm not just talking about outdoor air pollution, which is what we commonly associate with the term air pollution, but I'm also talking about indoor air pollution because people don't seem to realize that indoor air pollution actually tends to be 2 to 5 times worse than outdoor air pollution. And for a species that spends around 90% of our lives indoors, I feel like that's a pretty important problem. And this is a problem because of the lack of air circulation, which allows for pollutants that are not only from the outdoors, but also from indoors, from things like furniture and paint, to accumulate and allow for increased exposure to these pollutants. And this increased exposure has led to increases in things like cardiovascular and respiratory illnesses. Now, the second one is the lack of accessibility to clean energy sources. So while scientists have been working really hard to produce energy sources that can essentially take over the big role that fossil fuels play in our lives right now, they haven't been able to find things that don't take up a lot of space, don't use finite resources, that aren't loud. Basically, what they have created oftentimes has major downsides that make them less accessible or attractive to potential investors and the everyday consumer. So, in order to solve these problems, I would need to create a system that would be able to purify a variety of air pollutants while also generating electricity in a way that's accessible to a lot more people. And this is where I came up with the idea of biopurification, which is something that I've been working on for 4 years now. Now, in previous research, I had established that a consortium of Chlorella vulgaris and Arthrospira platensis, which are two commonly found types of algae in fresh